So in this video, I'm gonna do some rust repair. As you can see, it looks like that. Ain't horrible right now. Again, I got some blistering. I don't know if you can see it up in here, and then a little blistering over here. I can guarantee you, once I grind it, it's going to become a monster. You can see I started doing some repair in here already. So if you like this video, obviously do consider subscribing and stay tuned, see where I get. But soon I'll start grinding away at it. So with any rust repair, what you see on the surface is always double the size. As you can see, banging out with the hammer, and it just, you see that little spot that looked like ain't too bad.
Like a paint blister.
Like a paint blister, it ends up getting bad. And always with rust.
And the inner.
Always is, once you get into it, it's always double to triple the size of rust. And it does look like we have some inner panels that are rusted out too, which isn't surprising. Anytime you get into rust repair, it gets on the inner, the outer. So we're just chipping away to see how bad it actually is, and as you can see, it's double the little blister we started with. Oh, not even good at the bottom. Oh, there you go. The screwdriver just goes straight through. Oh, some solid. Not a lot. So yeah, anytime if you're going to do rust repair, you're going to open up a bunch more once you get into it. So he's got solid metal there, but pretty much all that is
history.
I mean, now you're starting to see we go in the back. Oh, I can't see through the back side, but you can see it's straight through the back panel. So essentially what he's going to end up doing is cutting it here, down here, up in here. We're going to section it.
Cut in here.
Yeah.
To about here.
There. And then we're going to end up first building the inner structure first and close it, then the outer structure. No,
so much.
Yeah.
All the way up in here even.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know.
There you go. So as you can see, we started repairing the inner structure, tacking it in there, and he's building the top plate to close it all in. Good. We're still here. We're just doing the patch panel and welding it in. Obviously there's nicer ways of doing this, but it is a $2,000 beater. We're just trying to save it. You know, well, probably about a $5,000 beater now that COVID, but you know, whatever the case may be. Going in there, obviously you spread out the tack welds. You want to go in one spot so you don't build up a lot of heat in one area and warp it. You push back, cover it with small metal and Mondo. Obviously we're going to be grinding it soon. Oh yeah, that's what it looked like.
Couple pinholes we got.
Few pinholes we got to. Almost invisible. That's what we got. Like we said, wherever there's rust, it's double. So we just put on the patch in the back. As you can see, this surprisingly wasn't a hole, which we were all surprised by, but there it is. Obviously it's going to be ground and stuff, but yeah, there's the patchwork. Here, over here, with all metal over top of it. Obviously we have to sand it and get it all smooth, but just got it roughed in while we're doing this part. Okay, so yeah, I missed a few spots. Clips, but so we've done the all metal work. I got a little run going on there. I'm using just regular primer in a rattle can right now because I just got it roughed in. It is literally just roughed in with all metal, but I wanted to coat it just so if it rains, because I am working on outside, You can see there's all that. It's all roughed in. Obviously there's more work to it, but honestly, for being like a $2,000 beater, I don't think it actually looks horrible at all. Obviously I'm going to do take my run that I put the town on and do a little bit more in here and stuff, but it's almost ready to be sprayed. So that's how you do some rust repair. Obviously it's not perfect, it's not perfection, it's not the best way to do it, but for this job, like I said, it's a $2,000 beater, probably because of COVID, with the price of cars ridiculous going over the top. It's probably a $5,000 beater, but eventually it'll go back down to the $1,000 beater. It's just to preserve it. Obviously this thing is going to continue to keep rusting no matter what you do. It just is going to keep coming and coming and coming. So if you like my video, do consider again subscribing. I will try to leave a link for Robinhood, signing up, get a free stock, just a way to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. So yeah, here's the almost finished work. Obviously I'll be spraying it green, but there you go.